how to enable regional pricing in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Roblox account on web browser. After that, select this option of create on the top right hand side corner, and here simply select this option of creations on the left hand side panel. Now you would be able to find all the creations that you have created, like your place or anything else. Just simply select it and wait for it to load. After that, on the left hand side panel, you would be able to find the option of monetization. Under monetization, you would be able to find different options like commerce is there, avatar is there, passes is there. You can enable regional pricing for any of this. In this video, if you select on the passes, you would be able to find this option of unlock regional pricing. So just simply click on this option of enable now, click on proceed, click on yes enable, and you should be able to see the prices getting changed according to your region. And you can also select any of your pass or any other item and click on the option of sales tab, and right over there you would be able to find the enable regional pricing option as well. Simply enable it, save changes, and this way you would be able to enable regional pricing. Moreover, you would be able to find the prices of different regions as well over there. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.